In this short tutorial, I will show you how to see your Spotify Wrapped for the year 2023. Spotify Wrapped is a feature that gives you insights into your listening habits and favorite music of the year. It's always exciting to see which songs, artists, and genres you've been listening to the most. To get started, open up the Spotify app and then swipe left on these options at the top. Now you'll see the Wrapped option. Just tap on it. Now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says, "You're Wrapped." And it will show you your Spotify Wrapped for the year 2023. If you can't see or access the Wrapped option from the homepage of the Spotify app, there is another way. Tap on the search button at the bottom, and then search for Wrapped. And then tap on the first option. It will take you to this page. Simply tap where it says you're Wrapped to see your Spotify Wrapped. If you still can't see the Wrapped option, make sure you are using the latest version of the Spotify app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.